Most wooden surfaces accumulate layers of dirt over time, but how do you remove paint from wooden furniture without damaging it? This video shows how a pulsed laser cleaning machine effectively removes paint and dirt from wooden surfaces. In this video, we clean a wooden fence that has built up a layer of black grime on top of its old paint due to long-term exposure. We used a 300 watts 5 MJ pulsed laser cleaning machine to remove both the surface dirt and the paint. One of the key advantages of pulsed laser cleaning is that it does not damage the base material. It removes surface contaminants while preserving the integrity of the material, making it an ideal solution for delicate surfaces like wood.